Sian from Shoorah and I use traditional knotting techniques to make necklaces from rope and cord. In this course, I will show you decorative knotting techniques to make a two-tone necklace. I call it Stevie. It's really simple to make. I'll teach you a Chinese snake knot to create the design, as well as a wrapping knot to complete the necklace. It will take less than 2 hours to make and can be made in colour combinations of your choice. You can buy a kit with your course and get the materials delivered straight to your home. I hope you enjoyed choosing the colours and creating your own necklace.